Hi friends, good morning, Namaste, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal. Today we are going to prepare spicy tangy masala sweet corn. Let us start the preparation. We are going to prepare spicy tangy masala sweet corn. For that we need 4 sweet corn, 2 medium lemon size tamarind pulp. We need 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of gram flour, small bowl of coriander, chopped coriander, salt as per taste, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, little bit of black salt, and 8 to 9 garlics, peeled garlics finely chopped. Now we are going to boil this sweet corn. Take a kadai and put 2 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is heated, put little bit of mustard seeds, a quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Put garlic. Once the mustard is crackled, put the garlic. Now garlic has fried a bit. Add the gram flour. Reduce the flame so that it doesn't burn out. Keep needling. Now add all the masalas after needling for a minute. We have added red chilli, turmeric and salt, black salt. Now we are adding little bit of regular salt as per the taste. Finally now the sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we are going to add the turmeric pulp, thick turmeric pulp that we have. Dal. Now the finely chopped coriander. Keep stirring for 30 seconds to a minute. If it is too sticky, add little bit of water. So this should be the consistency of the cooked masala. So it should not be very watery, so that you get the perfect taste. We have boiled all the sweet corns, so it is now ready, and we can put this into the masala. So we are adding now all the sweet corn to the masala. Put it on stove and mix the sweet corn and the masala. Keep it on flame for a minute or two. So we have done now, and finally it will look like this with all the masalas coated on top of sweet corn. Garnish with coriander and serve it. Spicy tangy masala sweet corn is ready. Now we will taste it and see how good it is. So I am tasting this to see how good it is and how heavenly it has been prepared. So yummy. Feeling like I am in heaven. Wow. Try this dish at your home. Let me know your feedbacks and comments. Keep cooking. Subscribe to my channel. Share it, like it.